Hi, thank you very much for watching my video. Uh, my video on today's my lecture is righteous soul concept. Soul concept before birth, now livings, and after death. This is just birth, living, death means just point of body. But if we writing on the point of soul, then righteous soul meet body. Now living is soul living in the body. After that is soul arrival at righteous soul living in destination place. We can just understand all of people's livings, birth, living, dead. But this is just body, point of body. Body birth, body living, body death. But soul meet body. Soul in the body. Soul arrive at righteous and destined place. This is huge difference point of view. So this is body living. This is righteous soul living. These days I just take a walk by the river, and some of people's talking is, their majority talking is health problems, sickness, cure, and a hospital, and medicines. Their interesting is only health livings. That is, body livings. But one of beyond body is righteous soul. This soul, righteous soul, is, it don't have just worrying dead, because that is righteous soul arrive at righteous soul in destination. Righteous soul dead is excitement and pleasure. It don't necessary to worry to die, because if living righteous souls, righteous soul concept. What is righteous souls? Yes, righteous soul is all of just livings are righteous souls, because all of livings created in the righteous souls, creation of knowledges, righteous living destination places. So, body living is pure body dying. Righteous soul is the end of body living with, and just arrive at righteous soul living destination place. So now our living is how to living. Here's how to living. How to living. Live. The fear of dyings. This is right. Beyond. What is that? Righteous soul is silence, clear of creation knowledge. If you just momently stop and then take a time resting, in the cases momently inside occur silence and clear, and this time you can get a feeling. A feeling is rose up and then just talking then feeling, talking then brain into the brain and creation of knowledge. And then just feeling is writing then I see brains, creation of knowledge. Yes, just righteous soul living is creation of knowledge, feeling, creation of knowledge. Here, possible. This living person must be righteous soul livings. In this case, is righteous soul, creation of knowledge is, the contents is saying, share time with others, help others, and doing real love others. Yes, this is soul plus bodies, the righteous soul plus bodies livings. Yes, if a person all the scared to die, all of livings to living hellish, so they all just talking on the just the person meeting then is if they just body's problem solving, caring, cure the thicket. In this all is come true. That's good. No one's share time with others, help others, and doing real of others. The living of stage is this body living stage. Body living is low level livings. Soul living is higher level. Here now is righteous soul concept. People birth now living after death. So people birth is here. What is a soulmate body? People was what is that? Created righteous soul in the righteous living destiny place. Yeah, this is now living is what? Righteous soul plus body. After that is what? Body is all deterioration. So righteous souls, bodies lost and will crash and hold righteous soul. So the righteous soul runs sky, fly to the righteous soul living in destination place. Yes. Here, righteous living destination place. righteous concept. What is that? So, here is some interesting from this. Where to go? Where to go? Where to go? The answer is here. Righteous soul living in destined place. People now living after us do not come to survive, soul arrive at righteous soul living destined place. That living is did not completion. Completions. But if arrive at righteous soul is completion. Completion. Perfection. Yes. All of living same. After birth, now living, after dead. But in the point of view of righteous souls, all living is not same, difference. So, what I say before, just a person that's care on die, so all of people just care over health problem, cure sickness problem. There is low levels. And instead of just fear over dies, share time with others, help others, and to real love others. Here's share time with others. What is? All of people's in the living times, and the depends what is that in the football game is depends. The same as all of people living position is to depends or to care or to share some of obligations, duty. Yeah, duty is time is others. So what is others? Neighbors, families, and what is it? Husband. If it's a wife case, husband keeps the wife. Each other, all time with others. Then in the place, excitement, and the pair, husband, wife. What is that? And all the time watchings. Just depends. Some of care. What the obligation, the object is needed, require some, and help others. For purpose of to real others. Then what is that? This is host living, not guest living. Host living is righteous soul livings. Soul livings. Host livings. Host living is very, very busy to help, to share, to love. This is, body sickness, body cure is nonetheless, not things. Very important thing, excitement thing is, share time with others, help them doing your love others. Then there is no any comes unexpected sickness. Time is ply, and the ply, and in the case which adds the end of the sovereign bodies, righteous sovereign bodies, come to the conclusions, arrive at righteous living destined place, or righteous souls. So, if we talking each others, not health problems, sickness, but righteous soul living, right people coming feelings, that is, there is any lies, or is truth. The truth talking share with them. Because that is a person's now problem solving by truth, or right people coming up, righteous sorrow, creation of knowledges, all health, share time with others. Others' problems, all solvings. So, where living is not body livings, but soul livings, not body livings, but soul livings. Yes, this is real living. This is righteous soul livings. Righteous soul livings do not talking others, sickness, hospital. That is poor livings. I'm trying to conclusions. Lecture on righteous soul concept. People versus now living after death. Righteous soul voyage. Righteous soul living creatings. Righteous soul living with body. Righteous soul return to righteous soul living destination place. This is Righteous Soul TV. I will talk and keep on this subject because this is we are all short of knowledge because now is body eating, body sleeping, body clothing. It's body needing is whole, researching, developing. That's why body interesting, excitement is all this money. So, and now livings lost righteous souls. So we will come, keep dialogue on my Righteous Soul TVs, on the righteous souls. Righteous souls do not see, but bodies see. So righteous souls micro do not see, bodies macro see. So we can talk here later on the soul and body. Thank you very much.